τα σύνορα, ανοίγει ο ουρανός. Γίνεται σύμπαν, γίνεται ζωή. Μονάχα τότε θυμάσαι να ζεις, όταν τελειώσουν τα σύνορα. Ίσως εκεί να είσαι αδέρφωνα.
I was born in the darkness, born in the horror of fear of the corpses. Hate in the dark, but the heart had a spark that this is all purpose. Burst on the scene in a million pieces, burst of the force. This is our self-explode no more. This is what we came here for. Another channel, giving the praise of the Lord. You can watch it soar the flies in the sky. This is the light of mine, it shines for the karma spire. The chakras flying, they all align. Twin flames ignite from the fire right by my side. This eternity is sacred. This is my energy flow through the impossible. This is my intention. Let's talk blessings. This is unheading. Are you getting the message? Oh, I can see it now. Comes to these skies. I can't believe I was ever down. How could I ever doubt? Hands surrounded, lift me up. What fills my cup? Spiritual sustenance fueled by the sun. This is my energy. Up to the one, up to the unity, up to the point where I do everything. I am everything. It's so heavenly. Never take gravity. This to the lips so forget. Spirit of the outer ends. We trust infinite bliss. You can breathe in. Breathe for free. Heavy as the rain on my face as I breathe. This miraculous place of peace. In this miraculous place of peace.
Ανοίγεις τους δρόμους να περάσουν τα όνειρα. Ανοίγεις χώρο να ταξιδεύουν οι σκέψεις και η καρδιά. Καλά είναι, λυτρώνει το άδειασμα. Αφήνεις τα αστέρια να οδηγούν όπου θέλουν. Χωρίς χρυσό, χωρίς ασήμι, με αστέρα και μό απ' της ψυχής στα βάθια. Όταν σαλπάρει ο νους του αστεριού τη ρότα, τότε η μηχανή σβήνει. Αφήνεται στα γέρη του καράβι.